Discovering Natural. So this is my hair in a twist style and just 2 little twists. And I'm going to show you one of my favorite styles. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray my hair with aloe vera juice. And then I'm just going to spray it some more, because you need aloe vera juice. Once it's all moisturized, you can split it in half. And then you can just pack one up. So now for this other side, what you're gonna do, take some of this cream. It's the Camille Rose Almond Jai. I don't know how to say Jai. It's spelled J-A-I. I don't know if it's Jai. So I'm just gonna take a generous kind of amount and then put it on that side of my hair. Make sure not to get this side of your hair on this side, because they're gonna start fighting. Well, at least that's how I say it. I'm just gonna take some more so that all of them can have all the moisture, and then pack it up. Okay, so now we take this side, put it all together, and make sure it's all smooth with your brush. Take this, take your rubber band or ponytail, and then put it in a little pot. That's how it's gonna be for now. And the thing about messy buns is that they don't have to look the same. So once they're both in puffs, you can either take bobby pins or just tuck it and make little buns. You're probably thinking, what am I gonna do with this? Well, I'm gonna make it a cute little twist out. Then you could fluff it out if you like. And to shrink it, what you could do is put water on it, and then it will actually look like real bangs. I've actually done it before, and I went downstairs and showed my mom, and then she thought that I cut my hair.
And I'm like, what did you do? And then Eniola goes, she cut her hair, and I was like, oh no!
And there you go. Now you have a nice hairstyle. So thank you for watching. Hopefully you liked this video. And remember to comment and subscribe. And share this video. And like. And I'll see you next time on Discovering Natural. Bye! Mwah.